Hey, it's Eric Green, Tax Rep Network, and once again, I am answering all the common questions about 1040 return deliverability and signing. So is knowledge-based authentication required for a return to be signed? Yes. The IRS has Publication 1345. It mandates that if the signer is not in the presence of the preparer, you have to have some knowledge-based authentication as a requirement for that return to be signed properly. So it's best if the return, the tax payer is with you. But these days, given how we're all working remotely and have clients all over the place, um, you can use knowledge-based authentication to accomplish that same thing. And again, it's IRS Publication 1345 if you want to go check that out.